Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Huh? Oh. Phew, that was a close one. No! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. Oh, what a lovely sunny day. What on earth is that? Whoa!
With this big balloon, they'll be able to find my garage from miles around. Ha-ha! Who could that be? I'm busy. Max? More air for your tyres? Fine.
Wait! Mr. Weasel isn't putting air in Max's tyres. He's using the helium for the balloon. Which means... Don't worry, Max! I'm coming! Hey! Oh! Spinning screwdrivers!
How is it my fault?
Oh! Oh, don't panic, Max! We'll think of something. Max! If I let some air out of the tyres, we'll go whooshing along like a balloon. Oh! Ah! Ooh! That's it, Max! Aim for the garage! There you go, Max. Good as new.
I'll show that Gecko once my advertising balloon is ready. Oh!
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. Oh, it's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Oh, look. Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Oh, hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course! We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top, we can wash all that mud off. Oh! That's strange. The rollers are meant to roll the bubbles off. Ah! Ooh! Aha! That's it! Baby truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Ah. Hee. Hooray! The car wash is working and baby truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ow! No, that's not it. Wait a minute. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Oh, hey there, everyone. Vicky, the ice cream truck, is in for her repairs. We're just doing a few finishing touches. Thanks, Yellow. Could I please have a screwdriver? Careful, mechanicals. That pipe is full of ice-cold air. It's how Vicky freezes her ice cream. Yellow! Don't touch that button! Phew! Thanks, mechanicals. You saved me. Now, let's finish fixing Vicky. Thanks, Vicky. Bye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Oh! It's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea. Hee! It worked! Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone! Hello, everyone. Eric the excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. Last part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Ooh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage. Hello, everyone. Gecko here. We're just on our way home. What? It's Baby Truck. What's that, Baby Truck? You've lost your dummy. Don't be upset. We'll find it for you. Go, go, Mechanicals! Try looking by those red flowers. Can you see anything? What about that green hedge? Can you see anything there? must be here somewhere. I'm sorry, baby truck. I can't find your dummy anywhere. Blue! Well done! You found it! Here you go, baby truck. All's well that ends well. Thanks for your help, everyone. Bye! Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done. Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me! Mechanicals! Quick! Do something! Look out! Here comes a bridge! Whoa! Spinning screwdrivers! Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Oh. Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you? Bye! Come on, Mechanicals. We have Fiona fire truck in today. Whoa!
I'm Wilbur T. Weasel, owner of Weasel's Wheels, fully automated to fix things fast.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. I'm Gecko.
Ugh. Oh, here's my first customer. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. See you, Frog?
The name's Gecko.
OK, Floella. Won't take long. I'm not too sure which button starts the service. Oh, pressing them all should do the trick. Come again, Felicity.
That was quick. Oh dear, she doesn't look good. Come in, Fiona. Let's have a look. That's the problem. Weasel was in such a rush to get things done that he put soap in your tank instead of oil. We fixed the problem properly. Now Fiona's running bubble-free.
I'm I'm sure I pressed the right button. Oh, yuck!
Oops. See you again soon at Gecko's garage. Bye! Welcome back to Gecko's garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck! It's Eric, the excavator! I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar trap. Oh, Blue. I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach! And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye! It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? I didn't know you were so strong! Mummy Truck saved the day! I'd better call Eric the excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's garage. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a lovely sunny day, so Red's heading up to the roof. He's going to finish fitting our new solar panels. They'll soak up the sun's energy and turn it into clean power for the whole garage. Hello, Bobby. Whoa! Look at you. You're all dirty, and we only cleaned you yesterday. Never mind. Splish, splash, splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. All clean and ready to hit the road, Bobby. Oh, you're dirty again. How did that happen? I think we're going to have to wash you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby. That's what's making you dirty. Your messy old petrol engine. How would you like a clean electric engine instead? Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun, giving Bobby clean power for him to run. Hooray! We'll see you back soon for more fun at Gecko's Garage.